In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Behance badge. If you want to improve your visibility on Behance and increase your chances of standing out in the creative community, this process is a great place to start. The idea here is to make sure your profile is active, your project is properly set up, and you're engaging with other work on the platform in a meaningful way. First, go to Behance and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, take a moment to confirm that everything is loading correctly and that you're in the right account before moving on. Next, click on your Behance profile in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can review your portfolio and access your existing projects. This area is important because it's where you manage the work you want people to see, including the project you want to optimize. From there, click on Edit to check your project. This step is useful because it lets you review how your project is presented. Before trying to gain more visibility, it's a good idea to make sure the project looks complete, polished, and ready for public attention. Even small improvements to presentation can help make your work more appealing. After that, click on Explore. This helps place your attention on the discovery side of Behance, where featured work, trending content, and creative categories are easier to browse. Spending time in this section can also help you understand what kinds of projects are performing well and how other creators are presenting their work. Then click on Other Output. In other words, start looking through other creators' published work. This is an important part of being active on Behance because badges and recognition are usually connected not only to posting strong work, but also to participating in the platform as part of the community. Finally, participate by giving appreciation and comments. When you appreciate projects and leave thoughtful comments, you show that your account is active and engaged. Try to make your comments genuine and relevant to the work you're responding to. Short, low-effort comments usually don't add much value, so it's better to leave feedback that feels authentic and specific. As you continue doing this, stay consistent. Keep your own project updated, explore work regularly, and engage with others in a real way. That combination can help strengthen your presence on Behance and improve your chances of earning recognition over time.